Is it safe? Is it legit? Is it a scam? Those answers I do not have, but I do have answer to a question about the price action of Safemoon. In the next few minutes, you're gonna find out what's happening with the Safemoon right now regarding the charts and where we could be heading in the next few months, probably by the end of 2021. So today, finally, a price prediction of Safemoon coming up. Everything we're going to talk about today will be revolving around Safemoon versus USD on the 3-day chart. So every candle is 3 days, all the way from March till this day. In March, this project is starting to exist, trade, whatever you want to call it. And there is not much price action to analyze, but I'll do my best for you to know what's about to happen in the short run. And most importantly, in the longer term, what levels are ahead of us. I know there is a lot of controversy around this coin, but this is not a video about those things. We are focusing on much more important things, and that is the price. This is looking pretty good, and I'm referring to this pretty hard burst to the upside that finished the downtrend. How do I know it's finished? Well, in the short term, it's definitely finished. In the long term, there is some speculation, but let me show you what I got. First of all, after we bursted like a crazy rocket ship to the upside, look at this huge wick. Yeah, this is smelling at this point like a pump and dump scheme. But as you can see, this coin is not dead. As I said, after we bursted to the magnificent highs of April, we were in a downtrend. And it lasted a few months, as long as with the other crypto markets, we fell lower and lower. This trend line that I drawn on the screen is the supported trend line that held the price in all of those times. Now, this is not meaning much to you, right? But you can see that it clearly showed us pretty significant support many occasions. So many that I don't want to even count it. But what's the significance of this trend line? It's not the support, but this. If I touch this support and make it horizontal to the upside, now you can see the significance of it. This was a parallel downsloping channel. In June, we tried to break it out of it. Failed. In August, same story. Safemoon still wasn't ready. But, of course, things change. And in here, a few days ago, around the 19th of October, things went parabolic. The multi-month downtrend is over. Of course, that doesn't mean that Safemoon will at this moment do this. Boom! But all in all, it's starting to get really bullish. Now this is a crazy coin, I got it, and it really could do those significant moves to the upside, right, like right here. But I don't think that we are yet in that cycle of Safemoon's movement. This will come one more time. But I don't think that is the case right now. Because let me show you, now that we discussed this downsloping channel, one more significant line of resistance. And it's pretty simple. We will just touch again this upper band of the parallel channel and move it into the future. Like this. Are things clearer now? I think they are. Because we must discuss this area of May that, if we follow this channel, is giving us problems right now. This could be the reason why price stopped right at this level at 0.00006. Oh my god, I hate those low numbers. And by the way, I didn't mention that Safemoon is right now valued at 0.00005 cents. I will talk in cents because this is madness. So, back to the charts. If we follow this downward sloping channel, now you could expect a little more consolidation in this area of higher part of this channel. Now we could be going sideways, and then at some point just do that thing that you are all waiting for. But at the same token, don't be surprised if Safemoon decides to retest this lower band of the channel, this middle line. I think we're done with this most lowest points, but middle line, it is still a possibility. And the good thing is, it wouldn't break any narrative that we're writing right now. Because remember, although we could spend some time now in this channel, it's not mandatory. I already said this is a crazy stuff. It could break this line of resistance and just moon. If we go lower in the short term, things are still looking good. Why, you ask? I'm glad you asked, although you didn't. This is 21 exponential moving average. This is 34 exponential moving average. And I'm showing you this just for one reason. In here, they were the resistance guys. They held the price just like that parallel channel. Here, if you remember, we bounced into the heavy resistance. Here's your proof why. But as you can see right now, things are changing pretty rapidly. Who knows what's gonna happen in the next few weeks, because Safemoon's price action is now above those crucial lines. These exponential moving averages are standing at respectively 0.00002, so there is a pretty hard support on those levels. For this kind of price action, Safemoon have my thumbs up. So as I made this innuendo, it's about time I show you the price prediction and where this coin could be going in the next few weeks and months. So let's begin. For our price prediction, of course, if you are my subscriber, and if you aren't, what are you waiting for? Click that button. We will use that high, the highest point ever in Safemoon, that was achieved in April. Now we will use that low of September, that was the lowest point. And I will not even name this son of a bitch with so many zeros. And just connect them from the top to the bottom. There you have it. We have everything on the screen. I mean, not on the screen, but you know, up there. But the move that I'm going to show you is so huge, I need to put down those levels. So how about we begin with our first level. There it is. 161.8% extension. The first level that I think Safemoon is going to travel to is 0.002. Now remember, I just threw out 10 and it is a huge deal. Let's just go into the future and get the next one. 261.8% extension at 0.003 cents. I know it sounds little, but it's much regarding where we are right now and where we were a few months ago. Now this is getting ridiculous, because to get our third extension of 361.8 that is standing at 0.004 cents, we have to shrink everything to these levels. And behold, in all of its glory, the level I'm going to give you for the Safemoon. Let's travel the extension of 423.6%. I believe the Safemoon could go parabolic one more time and travel to 0.005 cents. This is what the chart is telling me. For some of you, this is laughable. Either you expect more, either you expect $1 and those levels that I see on other YouTubers. Yeah, it could be in a few years. Let's keep things realistic. This is not a hype up channel. This is just the facts on the charts. If you plan to laugh, please just look at this area. Remember how it looked parabolic from the beginning of the video and how it looks now. I hope you will be satisfied with this 0.005, right? And if you're not, how about you watch this video? In there I'll also be doing all kinds of stuff regarding the price action, regarding the technical analysis, regarding the price prediction. Enjoy. In this crypto, Safemoon is not everything. And literally, let's fly to the moon.